Yes, in fact, the post-mortem was done today, and it is reported that the cause of death was due to strangulation. It is not really surprising to us, because as we reported previously, that we did not suspect any foul play in his death. The fact is that we are still conducting our investigation. Our investigation is not closed. We have not seen any evidence that there was any third party traveling with him, or there's no reason to have any suspicion that there was any third party at the location. But we are still doing our investigation. We are very open, and we are appealing to anyone from the public who has any information to call us and share those information. They can call 881, that is the NIB tip line. They can call 311, which is Crime Stop, or they can call 119.